There's a cool strategy and AI will help us. ChatGPT and all of those things, we can make money with it. So just follow these steps, hit subscribe, and let's go. Now, to be honest, I'm so amazed at what ChatGPT can achieve, okay? And I'm not talking about content making. This thing can even code, okay? So this AI can code for you. It can do art. It can just write blogs. It can do anything related to us making money, okay? So it can be a nice tool for making money. But also, apart from those essays, apart from those things, I mean, the ability to code something and it can be like really good. I mean, that's a whole another level, right? But today we're gonna make money with this, so let's see how. First of all, you can just Google for it, OpenAI ChatGPT. Click on this, and you're gonna land in here where you can just go in, you can just ask this person anything. I say person because, I don't know, I respect it. But now let's see how this can make us the money. I want to show you something on YouTube. Just take a look at this channel. This channel is called Hook. It has a lot of subscribers, as you can see, and they have a lot of these videos. You can see that a lot of their videos have a lot of views. And if you just scroll through like these most popular ones, you will see that this one has 12 million views. So that's quite a feat. This one has 11 million views. This one has 7 million views, and they make a lot of money. You can see right here that these guys make $5.8 thousand each month. So that will translate into 70K each year. So it's a nice amount of money that these guys get. And you can see that all of their videos, just let me go into one, you can see that nowhere they show their face. If I just scroll through all of this, if I browse through the whole video, you will not see any face inside of it. And the owner of the channel, he gets to stay anonymous, and they still make this amount of money. $5.8 thousand without even showing your face on the channel. Now that's quite a feat, okay? This is quite a good channel and they have succeeded. So what they need? Well, they have like voiceover inside of it. I'm just gonna let it for you so you can hear it.
Started to boom. Craftsmen capitalize on this by making...
And then, of course, they use some stock footage, they use a video editor, and of course, they need the script for it. So they come up with an idea, the homeless boy who invented Louis Vuitton, they come up with an idea, and then they write a script around it. Then they just do the voiceover, and of course, they just use the video editor, which is gonna make a lot of these nice looking stock footage videos, and put that all together. So basically, this is called YouTube automation, okay? So they get like money from Google AdSense, and we have already covered how much money that is. Now, this can be done if you live, I don't know, in Africa. This can be done if you live in Asia. Wherever you live, you can make money just like these people are doing. And that can be a lot of money. So now we know what this is made of, okay? So you need a video editor. And for example, you can find that on Fiverr.com or Upwork, or you can just search for voiceovers or thumbnail editors. You need all of those things. And of course, you need a script writer, which is going to write a script. But in this case, we don't need a script writer because we have something which is going to make those scripts for free. And you probably know where I'm heading right now. Yes, that's right. ChatGPT is going to make those scripts for us for absolutely free. You just have to feed the information to him. So this is what you can do, okay? This is pretty simple. So let's say we want to replicate this video. So how KFC was made from a gas station chicken recipe. So you can just copy this, and then you have to go over to ChatGPT. But remember, you need to give as many details as possible because this is AI, but you need to give it information. You need to tell it the instructions, okay? So you can just type in write a YouTube video script for, and then you can just paste that title which we have chosen, okay? Now you can just click here and you will get a rough outline for a script about this. So this is going to be about the history of KFC, okay? And you will see that it'll give you the intro. It will give you few selections of those intros, and then it's gonna go to parts, okay? So now ChatGPT is going through the history of KFC. So you can see the story of KFC starts with a man named Harlan Sanders who was born in 1890 in Henryville, Indiana. And then it's gonna go down and it's gonna write the whole script for us for absolutely free. But there is a catch to this, alright? You know that scripts for YouTube, they need to be a little bit longer. A lot of YouTube videos, they have to be longer in order to be monetized and to get good money. So you can see that this script isn't gonna do it. But ChatGPT has another feature. What you can do is you can just type in, can you make it longer, okay? Or maybe you can just write me more details, okay? So you can just type it like that, and of course, it's going to do the thing. It's going to give you the longer version of the script, okay? So this is how good this is, okay? So if you want to make it shorter, maybe for YouTube Shorts, it's going to do that. But if you want to make it longer, it's going to do that as well. So that's why this is so good, and that's why people use it to make money with it, okay? So it's a free script which you can take and you can do whatever you want with it. You want to make it longer? Okay. You want to make it shorter? Okay. Everything works. But now, to be honest, this isn't the only thing which is good for content writing. There's also this website which is called jasper.ai, and it's a pretty good thing when it comes to writing. It writes good content, it is pretty quick, but this one isn't free, okay? So you can see that you can claim 10,000 words for free, but later you're gonna have to pay for it, okay? So you can see it right here that it has like paying plans, and it can be like $40 per month estimated and $82 per month estimated, but ChatGPT is of course for free, so that's why we want to use this one. But now, to be able to make these videos, the next thing that you want to get is the voiceover, okay? Now you can search for voiceover artists on Fiverr.com, on Upwork, or you can do it yourself. It doesn't matter, you can do it yourself, even though if you don't have a good accent or whatever, eventually it is good enough and it doesn't take a lot of your time, alright? Or you can hire someone. What else you could do is that you can just go over and use text-to-speech software. But there is a gray area about this one, and it definitely decreases your chances if you use AI-generated voice on your YouTube channel. There is a pretty good chance that you won't get monetized, or you will get monetization at first, but there is a high probability that you're gonna lose it afterwards. That's how it works. YouTube doesn't like AI-generated voices. They're against mass producing, so I suggest that you stick with these people which are freelancers, or you can just do it yourself. It won't take away a lot of your time, and you'll be safe with monetization. And the last thing, of course, is going to be for you to find a video editor. You can, of course, do this on your own as well. So you just need to spend a little bit of your time into learning additional software like DaVinci or Final Cut or Adobe Premiere Pro. Or you can alternatively just hire someone to do that as well. And apart from video, you will need some thumbnails, and that is cheap to get, and thumbnails are really important for your YouTube channel, so you have to have this as well. And then, of course, you just have to go and meet these YouTube monetization requirements, which are 1,000 subscribers to your channel and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. So that's it, guys. You can just start with this. It is going to take some time in order for you to set all of this up, but if you are persistent, that can be a great source of income for you, especially that you get scripts for free using ChatGPT. So now just go and take some action, get the money, and I'll catch you.